how to lodge a suggestion or provide your suggestions to the railways using the Rail Madad application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can raise a new suggestion to the railways using the Rail Madad application on your Android device. So in order to do this, the first thing that you will need to do is simply download and install the Rail Madad application from the Play Store. And once you have successfully installed the Rail Madad application, simply open it by tapping onto the app icon. This will open and launch the Rail Madad application. Then you will need to authenticate yourself by entering the 4-digit PIN or by entering the user and password. And once you have done entering that, click onto the submit button. Then after verifying your identity, you need to click onto this suggestions option in order to raise a suggestion, and from here it says suggestions details. Now from here you need to select the suggestion type, so simply click onto this drop down arrow, and from here you can suggest for a new train, a new stoppage, passenger amenities, freight services, high speed rail travel, infusing technology, reducing carbon footprint, or others as well. So for example, if you can choose any of the following, let's say a passenger amenities, so from here you can type in the description. So for example, let's type in a passenger amenity that could be provided, let's say USB sockets on every berth of sleeper class. So let's say we have typed in a description. Then you have this option of suggestion for, as to whom this suggestion is concerned. So simply click onto this drop down arrow again, and from here you can either choose train or station. So we will gonna be choosing train, and then you can type in the train number. So you can type in the train number as per your preference, and then after choosing up the train number, you need to click onto this submit button right here. And once you will do this says suggestion registered successfully. So that means our suggestion has been successfully registered, and you will also receive a copy of the same using an SMS. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.